morning, Himanshu. Good morning, Avyut. How are you? Able to hear me? Good morning, Benedict. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Okay, this ma'am going. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Did you do attendance?
Yes,
Good
we are
morning,
going.
ma'am. Oh. Hey. Sir.
Okay, children. Now, listen to me carefully. We are going to take attendance. So everybody must be regular. Those who are not regular will have less attendance. Did you understand? And also some of you did not write some of the tests. So I want everybody to attend the classes, write the tests regularly. Okay, children? Today I'll be sending you the marks of all the tests that you have written. And some of you, those who did not write the test, I'll see when we can conduct. Okay, children? Now 22 have joined today. We'll just wait for 2 minutes and 1 more minute and then we'll start. Okay? Children, some of you are signing as some ZZZ here. Tejvardhan, you have to change it to your name. Z1BOMH is written. So you have to change it. In the same way, Swaranjali, Oppo A3S is written. Swaranjali, ask your daddy to change it to Swaranjali. Okay, children? Tejvardhan and Swaranjali. Chandrika is okay. Sri Karthik Emlyn also has joined. Very good. 25 have joined. Because Himanshu asked mummy to change it to Himanshu Basmati instead of Geetali Basmati. You change it to your name and sign. Okay, sign in as your name. Oh, then Mahadhav Mahidhar. Okay, Chandrika, Vignesh, Vasuda. Very good. Tejvardhan, you have to change to your name. Okay, Z1BOMH है. उसको अपने name पर change करना. In the same way, Swaranjali has to change. Pranavi, you also have to change. It is written as Vedansh. So if you can log in with your name, it will be better because we are taking attendance. And Nafisa, look here. It is on your mummy's name. So change it to your name. When you're logging in, change it to your name, Nafisa. Because we are taking attendance. Screenshot लेकर हम attendance ले रहे हैं. फिर उसमें Nafisa नहीं आएगा और कुछ आएगा. In the same way, वनजीत, तुम्हारा एसर कहकर लिखा हुआ है. तुम्हारे नाम से तुम्हें लॉग इन होना है. वनजीत कहकर लॉग इन होना है, नॉट एसर. ओके, When I'm taking attendance, it becomes difficult. ए सर किसका नाम है देखना पड़ेगा मुझे इसीलिए. Okay, children. Kulsum, one more new girl has joined. Usra Kulsum. Welcome her, children. Say welcome to our class. Very good. So altogether we have 27 participants. I don't know what it is. Swati Baburi. Who is it? Who is this Swati Baburi? Children? Swati Baburi, which class are you in, child?
Ma'am, third B, ma'am.
Oh, why did you join here? Okay, anyhow, I'll see. What is your name?
Manish, ma'am.
Manish, okay. Okay. Your timing was 8:30. Manish, you should join at 8:30. Okay, from next class onwards, you have to join your class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So before all of them join, just we'll revise what we have learned last week. Okay, one time we'll just do C song revision and then we'll start today's topic. Okay, Chandrika, Saismian, I'm not able to see you. Switch on your video. Saismian. Very good. So we'll just do, we'll revise once. Able to see the screen, children? Put your thumbs up. Okay. We'll just do the poem, Sea Song. Okay. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. What did the child find? A curly shell on the sand. Isn't it, children? And how was the shell? And what did he do with the shell? I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. And what did the child do? He picked the shell up and kept it in his hand. And how was it? How was it, Avyuk? How was the shell? Unmute.
It was cold.
It was
very
cold. It was very cold. Shailu, unmute and tell me, was there animal in the shell? Shailu?
No.
Tejvardhan, was there animal in the shell?
No, ma'am.
It was not
No,
there. Okay, it was, animal was not there. I told you, no, isn't it, that we find the shell on the seaside when the animal in it dies, isn't it? When the animal dies, is eaten by somebody or it dies, only the shell comes on to the seashore.
Seashore.
Isn't it? So,
Pick it up and took it.
and what did this boy do? He picked the shell up and took it home. And how was it in his hand? It was very
Cold inside, ma'am.
It was very cold. Very good. Now, Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. Now, Chandrika, what did the boy do? Chandrika, unmute and tell me. What did the boy do to the shell, with the shell? Himanshu, what did the boy do with the shell? Benedict? Chandrika, you can say. Chandrika, bolo. What did the boy do with the shell?
Shell.
Jitesh?
He put it in his hair and heard the nice, sweet song.
Okay. What did the boy do with the shell? He took it home and showed it to his mother. Isn't it? He showed it to his mother, Himanshu. And what did mother do with the shell, Himanshu? Mummy ne kya kiya shell ko? What did mother do? Himanshu? Manish? Manish? Shailu? Shailu, what did mother do with the shell?
She held it to the child's ear,
Very
and
good.
from the shell there came a song.
Very good. Okay. Now, Swaranjali.
Ma'am,
Swaranjali. Swaranjali will answer. Swaranjali will answer. How was the song?
మ్యూజియానికి మళ్ళీ రాదు.
Oi.
ఒకసారి
No talking. No
మమ్మీ
talking in
చూడు
Telugu.
మమ్మీ కొడుతుండు.
Hey, children.
ఓకే అమ్యూట్ చేస్తుండు. ఇప్పటికే మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి అది ఇస్తుంది.
Children, no talking, no talking. I'm finding some are talking
Ma'am.
in Telugu. No talking. Okay, Saismian. Yeah, Saismian. Unmute and tell me.
జస్వంత్ వల్ల నో టాకింగ్ అని నందిరుతుంది.
Saismian, can you? Varshika, unmute. Saismian, unmute. Yes. Now tell me, how was the song, Saismian? How was the song?
Sweet and soft.
Very good. Soft, sweet, and clear. The song was soft, sweet, and clear. Okay. Varshika, tell me now. I was surprised, but it was really true. I wish you'd find a nice shell and hear it singing too. What is the child wishing for? What is the child wishing for? What is the child wishing for? Vanajit? Vanajit? Unmute. And tell me. Ruchit, I'm not able to see your video. Ruchit, okay. The child was wishing that we too can find a nice shell so that we can hear lovely songs. Okay. Now, this was all about the poem. Okay. Now, from the poem, we learned that there are so many animals and plants in the sea. So we should not pollute the water. By polluting the water, we are killing the animals and plants in the sea. And if you are killing the plants and animals, what happens? We cannot hear the beautiful things. We cannot see the beautiful things. Isn't it, Avyuk? Avyuk? If you kill the plants, what will happen? Unmute and tell me. If you kill if we kill all the plants and animals in the water, in the sea, what would happen?
It would pollute the ocean.
We are polluting the ocean and we are killing. So what would happen to the animals and plants in the ocean?
They will die.
They will die. And if they die, can we get the beautiful shells and can we hear the beautiful music? Can we hear?
Yes. I mean, you hear the ocean inside.
Oh, we can only hear the ocean's beautiful sound of the ocean and the sea. But we cannot hear and see the beautiful animals and plants, isn't it? If they die, we cannot see them.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we see the shells? If there are no animals, can we see the shells and enjoy the shells? No.
Yes.
Isn't it?
No.
We cannot see them. Animals are not there, shells will not be there. We cannot see the shells also, isn't it? So we should not pollute the water. This is what we have learned in Sea Song last week. Okay. Now this week, we are going to learn about noun numbers. Madhav, look here, look at the screen. Madhav, I'm able to see you. You're looking at the sky. Look at me and understand. Now, so this week we are going to learn about noun numbers. What are noun numbers? Very simple. Singular, plural. What are noun numbers? Singular, plural. Singular means name of one person one animal, one thing, then it is a singular, one. If it is more than one, more number of people, more number of animals, more number of things, then it is plural. So that is what we are going to learn. Vasudha, did you understand? Put your hand up. Varshika, did you understand? Yes. So this is what we are going to learn in today's class. So let us see a presentation. Okay. So noun numbers. What are noun numbers? Noun numbers are a naming word which denotes one person, one place, animal or thing is said to be a singular number. One man, one boy, one box. A naming word which denotes more than one person, place, animal or thing is called a plural. Don't bother about the rules, children. Most of the plurals are formed by adding s. Day, days, face, faces, game, games, lake. All these are by adding s. Cow, cows. Sometimes. Now, here with the pictures. One boy, many boys. Here what is added? S is added to make it plural. One key, many keys. Here also S is added to make it plural, many. One monkey, many monkeys. Only S is added to make it many. One toy, many toys. T-O-Y toy, T-O-Y-S. Only S is added to make it many. One toy, many toys. One ball, many balls. S is added to make it plural. One dog, many dogs. One dog, many dogs. One table, many tables. Yes, one table, many tables. This is third class, children. Ashwin, don't you come at 10:30, Ashwin? Ashwin and Ankita, your class is at 10:30. This is for third class. One tree, many trees. One tree, many trees. Here S is added to make it plural. One candle, many candles. S is added to make it plural. Now, don't bother about the rule. Sometimes ES is added. In the previous we have seen S is added. Here box, boxes. We say boxes, ES is added. Fox, foxes, ES is added. Foxes. So this is plural. Sriharsha, stop playing. One watch, many watches. ES is added. Watch, watches, many watches. One bunch of flowers, many bunch of flowers. ES is added. ES, bunches. One bush, many bushes. One bush, many bushes. Bushes बोलते हैं. One brush, many brushes. Brushes. One bus, many buses. Like this, we have all these things. Now, sometimes when it is ending with Y, one family, many families. Y is changed to IES. Y is changed to IES. One cherry, many cherries. Many cherries. One fairy, many fairies. Fairies. Y is changed to IES. One pony, the young one of a horse is called a pony. One pony, many ponies. IES, ponies. One baby, many babies. Many BABIES, babies. Now, sometimes knife, it is ending with FE. It will change to VES. Avyukt is saying yes. It will change to VES. One leaf, many leaves, leaves, VES. Yes. Now, one wolf, many wolves, wolves, many wolves. In the same way, one shelf, many shelves, shelves. many shells. One thief, many thieves, many thieves. VES, VES. So like this we have, you don't bother about this. Now this is important because this is there in your textbook. One potato, many potatoes. ES is added. One tomato, many tomatoes. ES is added. It is not only S added, ES is added. One volcano, many volcanoes. Volcanoes, nose. One mosquito, many mosquitoes. Mosquito and ES is added. Mosquitoes. One buffalo, many buffaloes. Many buffaloes. ES is added. Yes. Now, these, but there are some exceptions. One ox, many oxen. Oxen. It is not oxes, it is oxen. One child, many children. You are all children, not children's. Children. Yes. Many children. One man, many men. Men. EN. One woman, many women. Women. MEN. MAN is plural. MEN is plural. MAN is singular. One mouse, many mice. MICE, mice. Many mice. One tooth, many teeth. Teeth. You have teeth in your mouth, isn't it? One foot, 2 feet. Feet. FEET, feet. But some are singular also the same, plural also the same. Deer, deer. It is the same. Sheep, sheep. Okay. They are not sheeps, deers. Okay. Fish is also fish, but nowadays they are saying fishes. ES is added. It's all right. That is also correct. So fish, fishes also. This is not required for you. Okay. Now, I will unmute you. You have to answer. Now, children. Now, Sakshi. Sakshi, tell me, what is the plural? What is the plural for bus? Bus. One bus. BUS. ES. ES is added. Yes. Very good. Very yes, ma'am. Very good. Now, Sahash. Sahash will say now. What is the plural for tooth? One tooth, many? Many? Teeth. Very good. Very good. TETH. Now, Madhav. Madhav. Yes. Tell me. One knife. Many?
Knives.
Many?
Knife.
Many?
Knife.
Knives. What is the spelling? What is the spelling?
Knife.
Vasudha, tell me what is the spelling of knives? Knives.
Knife. N-E.
K-N-I.
Huh?
K-N-I.
K-N-I.
N-E-S.
N-E-S.
V-E-S. K-N-I. V-E-S. K-N-I. Tell me.
V-E-S.
Very good. Very
V-E-S.
good. V-E-S.
K-N-I-V-E-S.
Very good.
Nice.
Now, Vanshika. Vanshika, tell me. Very good. What is the plural for child? What is the plural for child? Children. What is the spelling, Vanshika? Try telling the spelling.
C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children.
Jitesh. Let Vanshika say. Vanshika say. CH. LDREN. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now Chandrika. Chandrika, tell me. What is the plural for? What is the plural for table?
Cable.
Spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
Srihasha, you don't tell. Let Chandrika say. Okay. Spelling. Tell me the spelling, Chandrika. TABL.
EABL. Yes.
Very good. Now listen to me, everybody. Now I'm going to show you some more things, and then whomever I ask, you're going to answer. Okay? Again.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I brush my tooth twice a day. Varshika, quickly. Very good. What is the spelling?
TEETH.
Very good. TEETH. Very good. Okay. Now, Soumya, I cut the mango with a knife. Soumya. Soumya, go slow. Mangoes. Very good.
Mango's knife.
Very good. Now, the child climbed the roof.
Children. Children.
Roofs. Very good.
Children.
Nafisa. The children climb the roofs. Okay. Nafisa is going to tell me now. She read the story about the fairy. Nafisa. Story will change to?
Stories about
Fairies. Very good. Story will change
Story
to
about
stories.
fairies.
Okay. Stories. Just now we had a no? STORIES. Stories. The mouse will change to? Mouse.
Mouses.
Mice.
Mouses.
Mouse will change to? Mice. Mouse will change to?
Mice.
Lady will change to?
Ladies.
Very good. LADIES. Okay. Rutvika. Rutvika, you can. Mango will change to?
Mangoes.
Rohan. Mangoes. Mangoes.
Mangoes.
ES. Don't forget ES. Mangoes.
MANGOES. Mangoes.
Very good. Nafisa, okay. Soumya Verma, you're not unmuting yourself. Okay. Potato will change to?
Potatoes.
Yes, potatoes.
Very good.
Potatoes.
Yes, potatoes.
Yes, potatoes. Okay. Saismian, I'm not able to see your video. Saismian, yes. Soumya Verma, I'm not able to see you. Now, tomato will change to? Soumya?
Tomatoes. TOMATOES. Tomatoes.
Very good. Tomato will change to tomatoes.
Yes, tomatoes.
Very good. It is changed to tomatoes. Okay. Now, Varshika, tell me this one. Varshika will tell me. Sandwich will change to? Varshika.
Yes. Sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches. Sandwiches. SANDWICHES. Sandwiches.
Very good. Sandwiches. ES is added. ES is added. Vanajit, unmute and tell me. Leaf. Leaf will change to Vanajit. Rohan. Okay. Rohan, stop the- Okay. Leaves. Okay. Leaves.
Leaves.
Leaves. Okay. Now you have understood singular means. What did we learn? Rohan, you are playing. You are playing with the comb. I could see you. Sit straight, Rohan. Where is your uniform? Rohan. Everybody must sit straight. Rohan. Yes. Nafisa, I'm not able to see your video. So children, today we have read about singular means it is single person, animal, thing. Plural means many persons, animals, and things. Did you understand? And sometimes S is added to make singular into plural. For example, table, tables, chair, chairs. Sometimes ES is added. Bus, buses. Okay. Then sometimes F is changed to VES. Leaf, leaves. Sometimes I told you ES is added. Mango, mangoes. Yes. Potato, potatoes. Sometimes it is exception and then child is changed to children, not child's, not children's, it is children. Tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. Did you understand all of you? All of you understood? Okay. Now I'm going to take a screenshot of all who have come so that I can take attendance. I told you, no, those who are coming regularly will be marked and those who are not coming will be marked absent. And if they fall short of attendance, then it will be a problem. You have to give letter. And some of you have joined by some other names. So I want everybody to join by their own names. Tejvardhan I told you, Swaranjali I told you. So some have to join like that. So today now 30 students have joined, which means 13 students did not join us. Okay. Now coming to, I'm going to ask question. You have to, whomever I ask must unmute and then you have to answer. But don't answer in groups. Okay, children? Don't answer in group. Yes. Now, Sai Smian is going to tell me the first one. Sai Smian is going to tell me. What is the plural for bus? Sai Smian.
Buses.
Spell it.
BUSES. Buses.
Okay. Now, Emmeline. Emmeline. Child. Emmeline. Whomever I ask only will say. Now, Vanajit, 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 potato, potato. Spelling? Spelling? P-O-T-A-E-S. Okay. Now, Rutvika. Rutvika.
Yes.
G Rutvika. Tell me. G Rutvika will tell me. K-N-I-F-E. What is the plural? K-N-I-F-E. Plural. K-N-I-V-E-S. K-N-I. Now, this is same. F-E is changed to V-E-S. Okay? K-N-I-V-E-S. K-N-I-V-E-S. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
तो मेरी आपके क्लास चल रही आवाज आएगी
now, next. Rohan. Rohan will tell me. Okay, Nafisa will tell me. Nafisa, unmute. Tell me. What is the plural for mango? Nafisa. Tell me. Unmute and tell me. Unmute. Tell me. Nafisa, batao. Nafisa, tell me what is the plural for mango?
Mangoes.
Spelling M-A-N.
G-O-E-S.
Very good. G-O-E-S. Very good, Nafisa. Be confident. Very good. Now, who is this? Ayush. Ayush, tell me. Ayush, unmute. Unmute karo. Ruchit, unmute. Ruchit, unmute. Ruchit. You are not able to unmute. Varshika, unmute. Now, tell me. Table. T-A-B-L-E. What is the plural for table?
T-A-B-L-E-S.
T-A-B-L-E-S. Very good. Now, so today we have learned singular, plural. Yes? Singular means one thing. When it is coming to many things, then it is plural. Tomorrow, we are going to have test in sea song. What is it? Sea song. You are going to have test. So everybody must prepare well and come. Did you all understand? Yes? Everybody has to prepare and you are going to write the test. And see that you are coming regularly because you are going to have attendance. Today I'm going to give the attendance. Everybody will go. Those who are coming only will get the attendance and those who are not coming will not get the attendance. And if you are not having attendance, you'll stay back in the same class. So you must attend the classes regularly and write the tests. Okay, children? All the best. Do well. Hope you all understood the lesson today. Did you understand? Put your thumbs up if you have understood. Yes. So today's recording, I'll send you. Everybody, just you can see. And then we are going to have the test in sea song tomorrow. Nafisa, very good. Okay, children. Bye. Have a great day.
Ma'am, test time?
After 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes.